Welcome to the ISW booth at the SPS Drives Fair 2017. We're here showcasing this year a demonstrator about time-sensitive networking, a new Ethernet standard that will make Ethernet real-time capable. My name is Florian Frick. I'm working as a research assistant at the Institute, and my main focus is on automation platforms and communication. In our opinion, TSN has the biggest impact on industrial communication in the last decade. The reason why TSN is so important is because it's not just another Ethernet standard or another on-top field bus, but it is a change to the standard itself. This means it will be global, it will be published by the IEEE and supported by all vendors. What we want to show in this demonstrator here is the potential TSN has for the automation industry. There's still a lot of discussions going on how it could be used, but we choose to present it in the combination with OPC UA PubSub. OPC UA was in the past a protocol for the higher layers, but was not a challenge to traditional field buses. However, with OPC UA PubSub in combination with TSN, it becomes suddenly a competitor for standard field buses because it offers a data model, it offers profiles, and it offers real-time capabilities. When we're talking about real-time network, we also need to talk about real-time systems that are connected to it. Because the best real-time in the network won't help anything if we don't have real-time capable end devices. In many applications, an industrial PC or a normal PC is the device of choice. In our case, we're using a PC as a numerical controller. In order to get the PC real-time capable, we choose the INtime real-time operating system. There, we implemented a TSN stack that is able to synchronize our real-time software to the network and output our data according to a TSN schedule to fit the network capabilities. Talking just about the technology, not so much changed over the last year. However, there is a significant change, and that's the awareness of it and the attitude towards it. Last year, the TSN technology was still quite unknown, and not many people were ready to use it, didn't want to use it, especially not the field bus organizations. However, this year, if you look around what's in the press, every single field bus organization committed to use TSN to a certain extent. And this changes the whole business, because suddenly TSN is not something which will be in sharp competition with it, but TSN will be something that is accepted and can coexist. So this was really a big push. However, if you want to use TSN, what will this mean for the end user? And I think there it helps a lot that the field bus organizations declared that they want to support it, because users realize that they can use basically the same systems they were using so far as the same masters in their network. So for example, if you used in the past a PC-based master for your field bus, for example a Circus Soft master, which could also have been based on the same real-time system, you could use the same system in the future for a TSN network and run the same software. And actually, in order to implement it, it's not so hard. You don't need too much dedicated hardware support. If you use, like in our example, for example, a I210 network interface, you can easily create a TSN-capable device. And in this case, of course, it's very useful to have the right driver, the right support by the operating system in order to use these real-time features of this network interface. These are the same features that were used in the past for different field bus masters, and you can use them now for TSN without reinventing everything.